Oh, it's so cold. Brrr. Oh, that snow was flying when I got on that airplane from up north. I'm so glad I do not have to shovel any more snow. Oh, I bought this condo in July. I'm so glad I bought it. Look, no suitcases, no clothes. I just arrived and now I can get rid of this coat. I am in sunny Southwest Florida and it's my condo. But I'm doing this virtual open house so it could be your condo. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, beautiful condo, beautiful water view. Let me show you around. Let's go. Oh, I'm telling you, there's the guest bathroom, which has a tub. Oh, wow. If I had people coming down in a few weeks and they wanted to stay, or the grandkids could visit a little bit, pop out the couch or put a bed in here. Whatever works for you. And then we have, my master, my king-size bed. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to hit it. It was a long flight, let me tell you. But again, my clothes are already in the drawers. Oh yes, my shower in my master bath. It is so wonderful. Oh, such a cute. I am so glad I bought this in July. I am so glad I'm not paying $2,800 or more a month to be renting. Oh, it's all mine. Mine. Let me show you the front. Come on, we're going. Oh, the living room. Oh, I can watch TV later. And you notice I decorated it because I'm in sunny Southwest Florida. It's beachy. Oh, this is wonderful. Oh, I have a washer here inside. Isn't that cool? My kitchen, oh, it's kind of updated. The backsplash, stainless steel appliances. Oh man, I'm telling you. And it's a walkthrough. The previous owner kind of opened this up. Incredible. Oh, this is my favorite part. Out we go to the lanai. Look, the dryer's out here, which is great. It doesn't get hot inside. Oh, can you imagine sitting here in December, January, cup of coffee, just reading a book or just listening to the sounds of nature? I'm sure the Florida birds will fly in and out. Oh, it is so beautiful out here. And the lanai is long. I could sit here. I can sit back here. So many options. And my home watch person, look, they've kept my plants alive. Isn't this awesome? Because we do have home watchers down here in sunny Southwest Florida. They'll help look after your unit while you're up north. And they'll keep your plants alive. Well, I'll tell you what, I've been here for about a half hour and the sun and the beach is calling me. If you want to come along, I've got the umbrella for Fort Myers Beach and I am going to be on my way. Grab the sunglasses, it's bright, not snow bright. I'm going to the beach. I'll see you guys later. Again, give me a call, 239-745-0565. If you want to check this unit out, it could be yours, and it would be your home, your winter home, before the snow flies up north.